Okay, today in the morning hours, the staff of Kolwa police station, consisting of LPSI Deepa Dekar and other staff, conducted a narcotic raid at Thodebaun, Banalim, and one person by name Mohammad Mustafa Hallegiri, age 26 years, native of Haveri, Karnataka, presently residing at Powerhouse, Margao. He was caught red-handed with narcotic substance, that is ganja, weighing around 1.080 kgs. The seized contraband has been attached under the Panchanama आणि आम्ही तेका आता कस्टडीन घेतला एक्युजाक along with the seized contraband. We have booked an FIR against him under the NDPS Act under section 20B2B of NDPS Act. आणि आता आम्ही तेका आता फुडें आमी तेका कोर्टानूय व्हरतले आनी तेका रिमांडाक प्रोड्यूस करतले थंयसान आमी तेका पुलीस कस्टडी रिमांड मागतले.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.